Hey guys, welcome back to a Beardchanics vlog. That's right, the all-loved weekly vlog is back. I'm sorry if you're a bit shaky, but I don't know what I've done with the mount for the GoPro, so you're actually on my phone at the minute. So yeah, hopefully I'll actually be able to use that footage. If not, well, too bad, you know. But yeah, plenty of big things are happening, guys. I know it's been a bit calm compared to usual, with some weeks even only like one video compared to, like, you know, at our peak, you know, normally I like to do like 4 a week, you know, so we had you know, keep you guys entertained all week, plus keep us on our toes, you know, because if you have content to do, we can sit on our butt, you know, we've got to crack on with it. That's what I like about having a strict schedule. But anyway, exciting time. Actually have a completion date for the house I'm buying with a double powered garage, which will be the Beardchanics new HQ. So that is coming. I mean, we are in England, so anything can change, but if everything goes according to plan, on the 10th of June I should have the keys. So yeah guys, and when we got that, we are going to crack on content wise. But not only that, do you remember Rob? Gonzo Custom. Well, Gonzo Custom and Beardchanics are joining forces and sharing a workshop on boys and girls. Excuse me, I don't even know why I use boys. I never use bloody boys. I generally use guys. Anyway, you know, it's not my fault I'm French. But yeah, basically, it's a good space. You know, obviously it's be shared with Rob and stuff like that, but even my part of it is going to be bigger than the double garage. After, you know, it's like half an hour away from me, so I'm probably going to spend more time in the garage. But, you know, we should have Rob doing a weekly video of basically just like, so I'm trying to make it less bouncy, but it's probably plenty bouncy. And basically have a slightly weekly update as well of what Rob is doing, basically. You know, because that way you can follow, you know, the noobs Beardchanics. You know, it's funny because sometimes because of the garage, some people think we are like mechanics, but we are not purely put garage, because we thought if we just put Beardchanics, people might think it's all about beard. But if it's Beardchanics garage, it kind of already feel more about cars. That's purely why it's in there. You know, so, but Rob actually skilled, you know, if you've been on the channel before, which if you watch the vlog most of the time you have, you know, Rob is an amazing fabricator, and what you've seen on the channel is nothing compared to what he can do. You know, he actually built really mean custom bike. I'll put a few little picture of them, but yeah, really gorgeous bike. And he's going to like crack on more with that, and we will obviously do an episode where Rob will bring you on the journey from A to Z on how he actually built a bike from scratch. So that should be pretty exciting. But yeah, and we should be sharing the space with a proper mechanic too, which again means that you know, I don't know the guy yet, but you know, maybe we can like scumbagging me to like doing content too, and then you guys get more quality content, you know, because you know, Beardchanics was never set up to be just about like, you know, Lee and I or stuff like that, you know. Try to build a family, you know, a community, you know, and like you can multiply friends and relationship, multiply skill, help each other out, and then, you know, the end goal is, you know, we'll end up with kick-ass cars to start with. I mean, you know, it is a pretty good advantage, you know. That's why Rob is looking forward to having a workshop as well, because, you know, at the moment he's only got street parking. So for him to actually work on his own project, because he has his own project, which we will have to tour at some point, you know, little spoiler, they're all Volkswagen Volkswagen boy Rob. So yeah, no, I mean, from your guys' point of view, it should be mental what we can achieve, you know, on the project we are going to do. I definitely want a van and a camper, that the missus want one as well. We've got a bike engine. The bike engine, at the moment I'm thinking two options. Either it goes into a Micra, a K10 if I can find a okay one, or I'll really try out to find the picture if I don't, but it's basically like a single seater that was mostly an advertisement thing, but the body on it is really cool. It's just the structure, the frame is made out of wood, but obviously with Rob, you know, we could have Rob build a kick-ass custom frame, put that body on top, put the bike engine in it, and you know, it wouldn't be a road legal, but we can use it as our drag vehicle, you know. I mean, you know, we still drag other vehicle too, but it would be cool to have just a little toy that is purely like a, you know, go to the drag strip on a trailer and running down the strip looking all funny into like a little single body thing. So yeah guys, plenty of stuff going on. I think that's pretty much, well, I mean, that's not all of it. The turbo is here. Woza, again, big shout out to him for like all of his help and advice, and you will see him on the channel soon because he will be installing my turbo on other bits and bobs. So, you know, which is going to be great because been meaning to meet for a long time, and obviously with the all events of the world, you know, it hasn't been easy. So yeah, the turbo should go soon on the S3, and obviously once the turbo is on, I will then need to get it tuned. And here what I'm going to do is we are not going to put meth and the big injector and all that jazz to go like 550 plus, simply because here I'm in the middle of getting the house and stuff, so you know, there is like another $1.5 basically to spend for me to get all the bits and bobs. And I thought it'd be interesting to actually do a traditional stage 3, so just, you know, change the turbo, get a stage 3 tune, which is a lot more common than meth on all that jazz, and then, you know, we can actually do that. And then, you know, it will be actually nice that, you know, the next jump will be, because every jump is like 100 brake, so we'll see 400 to 500 or 520, whatever they can get out of it. And then we will see whether spending that like $1.5 on top, then a retune with the meth and stuff, is actually worth doing, you know. How much quicker is it actually going to be, you know, at that level? But yeah, should be interesting. Yeah, so on the MX-5 the engine is out and the new engine is going back in, so that's coming soon as well. The body kit is still not here, but I have heard back from Firefly shop, which is where I got it, the douche kit if you want to get the same, and basically it might be sent next week, so it should arrive soon. But you know, here at the moment the MX-5 is not running anyway, so it's not going anytime soon. As long as they replied on Nano is still coming, I'm cool with it. And yeah, that's it for this week guys, you know. After I leave you with some footage from the dog walk and from nature, you know. So if you don't like that for some reason, you can leave the video now. If not, stay tuned and enjoy. There is worse place to be. And yeah, bringing you back on the dog walk again at the end of the vlog. Probably my favorite bit of the videos. Anyway, let's walk the dog. There we go, getting to the bird watching thingy bob. And when I start recorded, we were. Come on. Try to follow the path. And it goes that way, goes that way. Well, basically, I'm in the village over there, basically. But yeah, we come from that village over there. That's why I like the village here. Look at the river this side. And just lovely field this side. And in a minute, I'll show you the lake. I wanted more of a pond or whatever you guys call it than a lake. But as you can see, very nice. I'll flip the camera around and show you more. Yeah. You can see you've got little birds and bigger one. And look at that. They all live together in peace. Not that bloody hard, is it? Anyway guys, that is it for this vlog. Let's finish in those beautiful settings. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you watch the vlog, I'm sure you have already. Give us a like, give us a comment, and tell your mates, help us improve our subscriber count, because I am terrible at promoting us on social media. And yeah, bye.